Hi guys, today we will talk about how to find the top picks for your on your Amazon shopping app. We're going to figure out this solution. Just go down here, you click here on down, then it's going to take you to next window here. So you just click here on account here, and it's going to take you to next window, and you just go down here. So you just keep going down here and you click here on you click here on recommendation here, then it's going to take you to next window, and here you will find topics for you. On this window here, can you pay? So that's all you have to do to find this window. I wish you know you are Garrett. That's all. So just follow these ways, and it's going to work with you. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. So see you next video.